Welcome to another episode of OSFirstTimer. In this episode, Diana is going to be trying out Joli Cloud version 1.2. So what do you think about the name?
Is this for Christmas?
No. 'Tis the season to be jolly. No. In fact, it's not for Christmas because it was actually released in March 2011, so nowhere near Christmas. Not even Christmas in July. You're right in between Christmas and Christmas in July, so...
Oh, it's a nice happy name, so...
Yeah. This is a cloud operating system. As you may have noticed, there was a cloud symbol before.
What does that mean?
I'll show you at the end, okay? I will show you at the end. You'll understand what a cloud operating system...
So who does this? Windows?
See, cloud operating system.
Yeah, but who does this? Windows, Linux, or Mac?
It's kind of... It has Ubuntu at its core, in a way.
Oh, okay.
So it's a Linux.
Okay.
Linux,
yep.
not Windows or anything.
Okay.
So first of all, log into your Joli Cloud.
Joli Cloud.
Come on, log into your Joli Cloud.
Okay, log in.
Your username is your email, but don't do @gmail.com, just do your email. And then just do your password. And that's how you log in. Note that that's not how you usually log in. It's not like you can just, without registering for Joli Cloud, you can just do that. It's free to make an account and everything, but you've got to set up, I set it up to be the same as your email address. Okay. It's not always the same as your email address. Okay. So here we go, it's loading up. Just note that it's saying you are running Joli Cloud in demo mode, so your changes will not be saved. Can you just get rid of that little notification, please? I won't tell you how to see if you know how to get rid of it.
Well, I'm going to right click.
No. No,
you can't. I'll left click then.
It's really not that hard.
Can I just highlight it and delete it?
No.
That'll get rid of the whole thing, won't it?
We'll have a look.
Oh, that gets rid of it.
Gets rid of it. Great.
Oh, okay, good. I was scared that it was going to get rid of the whole desktop.
So what are you thinking? Just have a little look around. Don't click anything yet. Just have a little look at how it looks.
I like it. The thing I like about it is that it's uncluttered and it looks as if it's going to be quite easy to use.
So it looks easy to use?
Yeah, but it's uncluttered.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's got little icons there.
Okay, great. So your first task is, what time is it?
Right there in the top right-hand corner it says 10:14 a.m.
Yep. Great. The next task, and it certainly looks like 10:14 a.m. out there, doesn't it?
I know, it's never the right time, but it doesn't matter. I found where the clock is.
The next task now, this can be done many ways using quite a few different applications.
Right.
Write, save, and open a text document.
Okay. Well, first of all, let me have a look here.
Before I say anything,
yeah,
ignore from the word pen drive to Lenovo recovery. Those are just the things on my computer, the disks and stuff like that.
Okay. So they're not part of this hard drive.
It's not part of the operating system. Just ignore that, okay? Pretend that's not there. But you can look at hard drive. That's fine, hard drive. Just nothing else.
Okay.
So what are you first seeing?
Well, first of all, I'm going to look at the icons on the desktop. I don't think it's any of these.
Yeah.
Picasso, what's that?
It's a photo sharing service by Google.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's not there. Now let me have a look down here at applications. Facebook, Twitter. Oh, that's where the Gmail. Okay. So that's.
What are you noticing about a lot of these applications? Are they typically applications you'd find in something like Windows XP?
No.
What do you notice about them? Do you recognise any of these applications? Let's go. What's this?
Browser. I'm assuming that's your internet thing.
Does it look familiar, that icon? If that word wasn't there, would you be able to tell what that was?
No, it looks like a disc to me.
Okay.
A CD.
Okay. So what about these other applications? What's Facebook? What's Twitter?
I know what Facebook and Twitter are, but I don't use either of those. I'm just on email, and yes, you call me a dinosaur, but I'm happy being a dinosaur.
I don't actually call you a dinosaur, but okay.
You do. You say that I'm a dinosaur because I'm just on my Gmail and I'm not up to date with things. Okay, Office
the word I'd
Live.
use,
There
but
we
yeah.
are. I think I found it. That would seem, I mean, from the symbol, I wouldn't have known it's an Office
This
thing.
is Microsoft SkyDrive. Access your files and documents everywhere. Do you believe this is what you wanted?
This looks
Log
too
in with your
complicated.
Microsoft account. You don't have a Microsoft account, just so you know.
No, this is
You don't
too
think this is it?
complicated. No.
That's
Get
not
out
it.
of it straight. Oh, wait a sec. Yep.
Get out of it.
I'm out. I don't like that because it's misleading. It says Office. You think it's going to be document related stuff. I mean, the symbol doesn't even look like Office.
It is document related stuff. It's about uploading your files online and accessing them everywhere. So all your Microsoft Word files, access them wherever you are. You just need a Microsoft account.
Oh, right. And you can only log into it because it would be your username.
Yeah, your username and password. You can do that at any
Okay.
computer to view your documents,
Well, I have to admit then...
including documents on like an iPad or an iPhone or something.
I can see that use
It's
could be... It has potential.
and it's
Okay.
and you
I wouldn't personally use
Yeah.
it, but it has potential.
okay.
Yeah, okay, fine. Local apps. Angry Birds. What's all that about?
Angry Birds is a popular game that you've actually played once.
Have I?
Yes, on my iPad.
Okay, I thought it sounded a bit familiar. Okay. Contras Dure. That's not even in English. Oh, forget about that. Cannibolt. Was that bolting from a cannibal or something? Academic Earth. You learned something about in that one probably. Wikipedia, I know what that is. New York Times. I'm assuming that's an American newspaper or something.
Probably, yeah.
Local settings.
Now, would you like me to tell you something?
Yes.
Do you give up on this so
I
far?
do, because
It's
the
really
thing that
hard. These applications you're not understanding.
not at all. The thing I thought was Office is that, but
Okay.
it's not.
What's going on is all of these are online services. These are not actual programs installed in the computer.
So applications are all online things.
I won't say that yet. I'll just show you. So Chrome, well, that's kind of a browser. Facebook, that's an online, you make a profile of yourself and everyone can share it. Twitter is where you like messaging the whole world
I've heard of
practically.
those two things. I don't use
Who are
them, though.
connected to you. It's like, oh, I'm eating my breakfast now, and people are, oh, I like that, and you might get 50 likes, I don't know. Gmail, that's your emails. Notice these are all applications. So if you clicked on them, you click on Facebook, and then you can log into Facebook.
Yeah.
You get it? Or you click on Wikipedia, and boom, here comes Wikipedia.
Yeah.
You see, these are actually online applications.
So basically, this is
To
saving
use
time.
these, you need to have the internet.
So this is saving time, like
Instead of typing them in your web browser.
So instead of going to, first of all, opening up your web browser, then step two, this is like just doing it in one step.
Basically, think of it like if you, let's say you had bookmarks to these links, so let's say on your Firefox you had a bookmark to Wikipedia or something
Yep.
that you use often, or Gmail. Instead of having bookmarks in the browser that you have to open up, think of it like the bookmarks are your desktop icons.
Okay. Okay.
So it's a quick
Fine.
way. Now let me show you. These are all online stuff, except for local apps are apps for just this computer. So click on local
I would
apps.
say that would be where there we go. Calculate, and you can ask me to calculate soon, so I know where it is. Dictionary. Okay, well, the other operating systems, if you misspell a word, it automatically, you can right click and fix it. So what's this then?
Dictionary. Well, click it. Have a look.
Oh, you look up as
Look
in
up
a
words.
meaning.
Yes.
And then, okay, so this isn't spelling, this is, well,
Yeah.
this is
You can look up
Meaning,
spelling
yeah.
too, yeah.
G-edit. I'm assuming that's...
Okay, we'll try it out.
I think that's opening a document. Yeah, it is a
Great.
document.
Okay, so what are you going to write in it first?
So, okay, if this is a document
Yeah.
then, where's the, bold, underline and all that sort of stuff that in the normal doesn't have any of that?
It appears, let me just have a little explore of it. It appears that this is simple unformatted text, meaning you can't do bold and stuff like that, but that's just from my appearance, like that's just kind of instant appearance. Side panel, no, that's just all your documents. So it doesn't appear to have bold, underline. It appears, this is just a very basic, it's like Notepad. Have you heard of Notepad?
Yes, I have. I have actually used that on my computer.
Yeah, okay. Well, this is a bit like Notepad because you can't do bold and underline and stuff.
Okay.
And it's a bit like something on the iPad like this, where you're just typing but you can't do bold and stuff.
Yeah, okay, I understand
Get it?
totally. Okay, well, I'm creating a document. Creating document. There we go. And file, save.
Now, where would you like to save it?
Well, first of all,
call it something.
Let's call it mine. Something different. Save in folder. Well, okay, I don't want to save it. I like to save things on the desktop because I normally attach them to an email and send them off. That's how I use things mostly. Okay, and save. So I'm assuming that's saved.
Just max. Oh, don't worry. Now see if you can access that file.
Okay, well, I have to get out of this applications.
How would you get back to the big list of applications with the online ones too?
There's no back button.
Have a look all over the screen, trust me, all over the screen.
Okay. Plus, what's that? App Center.
That's if you want to get new applications.
Back to the launcher. That's
Yeah,
probably
that's it. There we go.
Okay.
So,
but where is it?
you cannot see it there, can you?
No.
So maybe it wasn't as intuitive as you thought. It's not. Maybe this isn't what you would call the desktop.
Okay, well then how do we get out of this thing?
So have a look. Actually, I'll let you have a go. See if you can find it. Look at the other things available there.
YouTube. Oh, it's got its own YouTube
if you
thing.
want. You are automatically logged in to your YouTube account. So if you even just click My Uploads over here,
Yeah.
there's all your videos.
Yeah, I can't believe how many there are.
Okay, so applications, no. It's not YouTube or applications.
Okay.
Check out some other things.
I have to admit, I like the fact it's got all these pre-installed things on it, so that instead of going into the browser and typing in something, it actually already has these things that, you know,
once you log into these services,
Yeah.
it'll always be logged in for you if you log into any account or
Okay.
in your Joli Cloud account. So if you log into any of these, YouTube was not pre-installed. I logged into that for you.
Oh,
Okay? So you would have just had to type in your YouTube account channel. So if you typed in your Dropbox account, your Google Drive account, your
Yeah.
Facebook account, it would auto-log you into them, and you can just click on them to check all your statuses. You could even add something else to it, maybe even
Right.
AdSense.
Just a quick question. If I wanted to have a YouTube icon on my desktop that I click and it automatically
So kind of like
get
on
logged
this
in.
desktop?
Yeah, is that possible on any operating system?
I can't 100% answer that, but there are things in Windows XP, for example, or
Yeah.
Windows 7, at least in Windows 7, you can set an icon on your desktop to take you to a web page.
Okay.
So it could take you to your YouTube channel, for example. You
Okay.
could put that as an icon on your desktop and call the icon YouTube.
I have to admit, this operating system is totally different.
It is very different.
It's just, but the funny thing is,
What?
even though I don't like change and I don't like really different things, I'm not hating this.
Okay,
You know,
not
I
like
still
Windows
prefer
8.
XP,
Yeah.
but I'm not hating this, you know.
So keep looking. Where did that file go, though? I mean, what's the use of an operating system if you can't find your files?
Get the desktop. Can I just search for the desktop and just write desktop and search for it?
Unfortunately not. Those are really searching for your applications.
Oh.
In fact, maybe you
desktop.
could type
Why does
in...
Oh,
No,
it says
that's Google
match.
search. Maybe search... Oh, now it's just search for applications with the word desktop. Maybe search for your document. Do you think that would work? So what did you call your document?
Oh, mine.
I'm going to type in mine.
Okay.
No, not on Google. Taylor Swift's Mine music. I don't think you want to listen to that.
Okay.
Type in Mine, but this time don't press enter because that'll take you to the first result. So just wait a little sec. Desktop no match. No, unfortunately not.
Oh, there's that Minecraft you used to go mad with playing.
How do you even remember that?
I know, that was ages ago.
Okay. Do you need help? I'll give you help if you need help. If you really can't
I do.
find
I
it.
can't find the desktop.
Hard drive.
Really?
It's not the desktop.
Oh, there's desktop.
Desktop, and there's your file.
Oh, okay.
Mine.
What a weird looking desktop.
No, this is just... It's not really your desktop, it's just... That's the name of the folder. So these are all the folders. Documents, downloads.
So this operating system, desktop is a folder, not an actual front cover of your computer.
I can't answer that just because I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just going to say the word desktop is a folder. There's a folder called
Right.
desktop. Those applications may appear on some kind of desktop interface screen somewhere in the operating system, but I haven't found it myself.
Okay.
So that's what happened. So you saved it in desktop. You could have saved it in documents.
Okay, yeah, I could have saved it.
Yeah.
So I was just being a bit different on this
Yeah.
one. What's this thing?
That's just an automatic file. Don't worry about that. So let's go to the next task,
Okay.
which is, what is 48 times 32?
Oh, I remember where the calculator is. It was in applications, local apps, calculator, and it was 48 times 32. I should know it by now. Oh, it says 320.
The 0 was there, you didn't remove the 0, so you
So
can just
delete.
press delete. Yeah.
There we go. I should know that off by heart.
1536. Don't
You ask
Well,
me
I have
every
to change the number then.
Okay.
Okay, and can you move it around the screen?
Move the calculator
Yep.
around the screen.
Just to
Let's
show you
have a
that it's
look.
not stuck in one place?
Yes, I can.
Yep. And can you maximise it?
Yes. Oh,
Probably not what you'd want to maximise though.
what the...
That's a calculator with massive buttons, which means you probably want to keep the calculator small, so can you unmaximise it without quitting it? You just quit
That'll
it.
do. The quitting's fine. Okay, next task.
So you're confident that you know how to minimise calculator?
Yeah, look, I'll go into it again. Here's calculator,
Oh,
maximise.
and how do you minimise?
No.
See, it's not
Done
there.
it again. Maybe click on something.
So if you
somewhere.
wanted to minimise it, you'll just quit it and then get back into it?
Yeah, I think I'd have to.
Okay.
What happens though if you do this? If you go into it and you press this button? Oh,
It minimises
Wow.
up to there, it's a little icon
well, what's the
calculator.
point of that then? You can't even read it.
No, you click it and it'll come back up again.
Oh, okay. What's the point of having a little tiny thing you can't even
Little
read?
calculator, you can't read. No, that's an icon. Even if you did put something in, it wouldn't actually show you the real numbers displayed on the calculator. So
Okay,
the
what's
next
the
one
next one?
is customise the look of your computer. I'm
saw
just gonna warn you.
settings somewhere before. Let me just try and find settings again. I might be in hard
Can you
drive.
try and find how to change your background, please? That's the first thing just to customise.
Screenshot.
It's
No.
actually,
Wait a sec. Maybe I'll right click.
it's a bit easier than you would think.
Add more services. No. YouTube Dropbox. Don't know what that is.
It's where you can have your files pretty much on any operating system that has Dropbox.
Didn't know other operating systems had Dropbox. Never heard of it.
Yeah,
Readability.
well, it comes with this for
No.
free because it's a web kind of application.
Well, it doesn't
If
look
you
as
give
if
up,
it's in
tell
here.
me.
I saw system settings before, but I can't remember where I saw it in.
You saw it in applications, honestly.
I did
just
see
so
it in
you.
applications, did I? Now, how
Yep.
do I get out of this local
Well, how did you do it
application?
last time?
Oh yeah, back to the launcher. Systems, local settings. I'm
Yep.
assuming it's that. Keyboard, no. All settings, maybe? Maybe that. Appearance, look and feel. I'm assuming it's that. Appearance preferences. Visual effects, maybe. Oh, background, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, does it only have one choice, or there's lots? Oh, there's lots. There we go. It's all space related. Oh, wow.
Now, let me
Why
just
is it
tell
all
you something.
space related?
Hmm?
Why is it all space?
Well, it doesn't have to be. You can make it anything. In fact, you can put any desktop background in that you can find on the internet.
Oh, I see. So this is what it comes
This is just
pre-installed with.
this is just an example of some desktop backgrounds you could use.
I wanted that one. Now it's gone.
How do you apply a background?
Add. Maybe?
Add is if you want to add a new one from the internet or from your actual computer.
Okay, I thought add was add this as your background.
No.
Because there was no apply. Well, I'll cancel.
Now, I'm going to be honest about this, and this is why I didn't want to show you the background before.
Why?
I can't seem to get the background to work properly. So, if we go down here, at the very bottom it says change wallpaper, and it has some backgrounds here as well.
Oh, okay. Oh, that one. I like that.
Yes, but the problem is, I've double clicked on it.
You can't seem
I've
to get it.
done that.
Maybe you go to OK.
And you click OK, but the background isn't changing for some reason. So
Or maybe it changes somewhere else.
You sure?
Maybe on a different thing.
No, I'm not seeing
it
it.
doesn't.
Honestly, I don't know why it's not changing. I have a feeling it's not actually installed on the computer. It's just running off the USB.
Right.
So I just want to show you that's how you change it, but it's just not working.
So,
okay, just know that would have changed.
Circumstances,
It probably
when you've
would
got
change.
this operating system not on a USB,
Yeah.
it would have changed.
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll give it the credit then. Fine.
Yeah. So now let me show you another setting you can change. If we go into all settings, just so you can change the appearance in some way, let's say you wanted to change the look of these windows.
Yes.
How would you get a new theme to make it look a bit like a different operating system?
Okay, well it's not backgrounds, fonts. Well, it's
Remember,
not
you
that.
want a different theme.
Visual effects. Theme. There we go. Well, that's what we had before. Maybe I open the themes.
That's just an example of what the buttons look like. It's showing you what the windows look like.
We'll get
These
more
aren't
themes
clickable.
online.
Click that then.
So I'll get out of that.
I'll just give you what I think would be good. Click
Yeah.
on window borders.
Where are the
Window borders.
Oh yeah, they're there.
Now choose a theme. You can scroll down, remember? There are lots of themes.
That looks nice and colourful, this one. How do I get it? Oh yeah, of course, download.
Okay, it's downloading. Do you know where it's downloading? Did you see it say something about it downloading?
No.
When you press something, it went somewhere. Did you see where it went?
No, I didn't, but it was too quick.
Click on another one just so you can see where it went.
But then it'll download a
Yeah,
different
it'll
one.
download that as well. Notice
No.
something that changed?
Download themes.
Do you need help or not?
Yeah, I do need help.
It downloaded to these things. These are the files here. It downloaded them to there, so you can grab them and click on them to open them from there.
So that was the first one I downloaded.
And there's a file, Almond.
Okay.
That's a theme. That wasn't the colourful one though.
Just click on that too.
Now, do you think this is intuitive? Do you know how to enable that new theme?
No, I don't.
It's not
I
intuitive.
double clicked it. Oh, now what's it done?
Those are the components of the theme, all the images and stuff that make up that theme.
Oh, we don't need that.
You don't know how to do it, do you?
No. I'm back.
It's-
Wait a sec, back.
I'm gonna be obvious. I'm gonna be honest.
File open? Maybe?
No. It's not intuitive.
No, it's not.
Not at all, actually. I'll show you how to do it, and you tell me if you think it's good or not. So basically, you go back to this appearance screen here. You click on Customize. Then you go to Window Border, because that's what you got. Have a little look. Along here, Joli Cloud Metabox. These are some ones that come kind of pre-installed.
And where's
on
the
the
two that
computer.
we got?
The ones that you just downloaded, if you want to get them, you have to click Install. Go to Downloads, which is where they downloaded to, and there they are.
Right. But
So
then
that's
how
a
do you-
colourful one. And to install it, just click Open. Has been installed. Apply new theme, there it is.
Okay.
See? And see the kind of colourful, not really colourful, little X's and stuff.
Well, you see, if I was to do this on my computer,
Yeah.
which I wouldn't anyway because I don't
That
change
was a bit too
things,
hard.
I would be calling you in the room to say, Phil, okay, do this for me, please.
Do you think you could do
It
that
is
by
too
yourself?
Oh, if I wrote down all the steps and
Yeah.
then practiced quite a few times.
Let me show you the Win2K theme. That makes it look like Windows 2000, actually very similar to your computer, okay? Apply new theme. What do you notice? Look at that. Just like your computer.
Yeah, that's good.
See?
I
The
like
X and
that.
stuff. So you could actually have it looking so similar to your computer.
I actually
with
like
the
that.
maximize and the minimize.
Yeah.
See that? That's actually the Windows 2000
So does
thing.
that mean with the calculator, if you did the maximise thing, there'd be a minimise? there?
We'll try it out. Have a little go.
Local apps, calculator. Okay, now maximise. Oh,
Unfortunately, no.
you just got to get out of it.
Yeah, when it's maximized, the theme kind of disappears.
Yeah.
So the next task is to install an application, something that you might use on a daily basis. So a new
Okay.
application.
I want to install a new application. Where's the...
Before you do, go back to the main applications page. So back to launcher.
Okay,
Now,
well, I'd open up
you want
the
to add a
browser,
new one.
and I'd want to put Mozilla Firefox in. Because that's what I always use.
Isn't this browser okay? Look, you got your tabs at the top, the back and forward, the reload. Isn't the one that comes with it fine?
I like Mozilla Firefox. I'm
And
used
what
to
does
that.
Mozilla Firefox have that this one doesn't have?
A name that I'm familiar with.
The name? Well, look at the name.
There we go. What's happened now?
No, I'm joking. That's just the name of the webpage. Because you're on the Mozilla Firefox
Oh,
webpage,
okay.
it's put that there.
So I thought that's not the symbol of Mozilla. That is. Okay, so that would be download. Okay, good.
We'll try and download it. See if it actually works. Notice it said download for Linux. Okay. So there it is. Downloading.
There we go. That's the reason I want to download Mozilla Firefox. It's the only browser that puts you first. I want to be put first. So there we go.
Okay. Well, I'll just pause it till it finishes downloading. Okay, it's done downloading now. So you're going to open it up. How would you open it?
Where's file open? Maybe this thing.
Archive Manager.
Oh no, I've got this problem again. If I double click it, it won't do it.
It'll show you the inside.
What is Chrome doing in Mozilla Firefox? I didn't know that was part of Mozilla.
How about you forget about trying to do it this way, because this way is too complicated, and I just show you that this operating system, if we get out of this entirely, has an actual inbuilt app store if you just click the plus button. So here's your applications. Want another one? Press that. Do you think that's logical?
But does it have Mozilla Firefox in this?
Well, have a look.
Search. Okay, well I'll search. It's Mozilla with a double L or one?
Just use the word Firefox.
Okay.
No, don't press enter.
Oh.
When you press enter, it doesn't. It Google searches it. That's a way to quickly Google search.
Okay.
But it's best if you just type it in without pressing enter. And just wait for it. There you go.
There it is, add.
And you can click add.
So it does have it.
Yep. You find that simple? Added. You've got it.
Wow.
So, if we go back to your applications over here, there it is. Firefox.
Oh, that's
instant.
that's a nice symbol I'm familiar with. I like that one.
Notice that was instant?
Yeah.
You were downloading it before, but this time you just clicked it, it's there.
So you can download anything from that app thing.
We'll
So
try
this.
something else. So what else would you want? It's even got some things there just to show you.
Where's the scrolling thing to scroll down?
We'll try scrolling the mouse.
Oh wow, that's how you do. Oh wait a sec.
Like that. Use that. Sorry, it's a
Oh.
trackpad, so it's a bit confusing. Trackball.
I don't think it does anymore.
Those are actually categories, so you can click on them if you wanted.
Oh, I
find some more
see. So there's a
applications.
whole stack of
Yeah.
things.
So it's not like there's an application called games. It's actually, that's a thing, get it? Or education.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So that's how you get new applications?
Well, wait a sec. Could I put in, because I don't, with their, with their, document writing thing, there's no bold and no this and that. So could I download Microsoft
Type
Office?
in the word Office.
How about I download the Microsoft Office?
We'll see if Microsoft Office is available. Microsoft Office for Linux. I doubt that would pop up, honestly.
Is it there?
No.
Doesn't even think it's spelt right, but it is.
Well, Linux hates Microsoft. They don't want that to be a word in their vocabulary.
You can't even say it.
Well, that's not a word in my vocabulary either. Oh, wait a sec. There it is.
Where?
Opposite of Microsoft Office.
Oh no, that adds in that symbol there. Though, wait a sec, let's see what...
Added, it's done, it's installed and everything.
This is going to be interesting.
Microsoft Office. That's Microsoft Office Live, that's Microsoft Office. Have a little look.
This is going to be really interesting.
This is office.com. So, have a little look. This
isn't Microsoft Office.
This page is in Turkish.
It's even in Turkish.
Well, you can translate it. There we go. Switch to Word. What do you want to use? Those are all the Microsoft Office things.
You're kidding me.
Click Translate again.
Oh, this is ridiculous. So if I wanted to use Microsoft Office Word, I'd have to constantly...
have a look at this, start this course. I don't believe this is an actually application. I think it's actually a tutorial for how to use Microsoft Office.
Oh, what's the point of that?
So, no, that was a tutorial, it looks like. There's probably another Office or productivity app, though, that would allow you to do something that you want to do like that.
Okay.
If you want to get rid of that, what do you do?
Well, I'm right-clicking, but there's no delete. Let me... I've forgotten. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's the little X at the top that I had...
Gone.
I had...
It's fast to get and remove things, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
Now, let me show you something that you should find pretty interesting. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is a cloud operating system.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
What do you think cloud means?
Soft and easy to use. Soft on the user, easy to use, but
Not exactly.
it's not really.
So here's my iPad. It's in the Note application. Just let me show you something. So it's an iPad. It's definitely an iPad, right?
Oh, actually, wait a sec. Maybe way above all other operating systems.
Way above, better than. No. Watch this. Oh, what is it? It's Jolly Cloud running on my iPad. Wow. Right?
Yeah, what about that?
See? But it's not just running on my iPad. If you grab the iPhone,
How did you put it there without
it's Jolly
the USB?
Cloud running on my iPhone.
And this doesn't even allow a USB to go in it.
Well,
How
this
did
doesn't
you-
allow a USB either.
Yeah, well, how
It's
did
logged
you
into
do
your
that?
account. A cloud operating system allows you to have all your things on any device.
Oh, okay.
You don't... This is an operating system which... Right now, this is a actual operating system that runs off a USB right now. You can install it onto your computer and have it as your main operating system.
But
you can even access it from a web browser.
So are signals going from this computer to that?
No. Joli OS is storing your data on their computer, right? Their servers.
Right, yeah.
Joli OS is, when you're turning on your computer, all of this is actually coming from the Joli OS server, right?
Yes.
So all the applications that you've got on this like desktop will also be synchronized to your iPad, your iPhone, if you can even log in, you can go to jollycloud.com and log in on your own laptop, and you'll have all your things that you've put on this, all the applications.
Or on a computer that's
Any
located
computer.
elsewhere. Somebody, my friend's computer.
So you can take the USB around. You don't even have to have the USB. You don't even have to boot from the USB. You can go to a web browser and boom, you've got it.
And it's getting the information from the cloud server.
It's on the cloud. So basically all your stuff is on the cloud.
Right.
You can access the cloud in different ways. You can access it on your iPad. You can access it on your iPhone. You can access it on your desktop computer.
So what you're saying is that, okay, you're saying that if I went to a friend's house, I could have my whole desktop computer, even though this doesn't really have a desktop, but let's just say this was my operating system, it had all my files, all my everything. I could log into it via my friend's computer and then it will look like my computer and I can have access to everything.
Well, let me simulate that right now. So let's pretend you've just done this is your computer and you want to go to your friend's house now and show them.
Yeah.
So, turn off this computer first and then we'll pretend that you're at your friend's house who's running Windows 7 on their computer. And you haven't brought your USB with you. You're like, oh no, I forgot my USB that has my operating system on it and all my stuff. So how would you turn it off?
I can't see an X button
At the bottom
anywhere.
of the screen, no?
It's not there. And there's
Tell me if you give up.
There's nothing there to click, is there? No. Can I search how to shut down? Shut down?
Try. No. You give up?
Yeah, I do give up.
See, that's your little user profile. Yep, click it. And then just below that is shut down.
Okay, well I would never have found that had you not told me.
So you don't think that was intuitive?
Not at all.
So just press shut down now.
Yeah.
Now you're on your way to your friend's house. So you're at your friend's house.
Yep.
They have all their icons and stuff. They've got Windows 7 installed on their computer, yada yada yada. So all you'd do is you would go to a web browser, your favourite, Mozilla Firefox.
Yes.
But you might have to use Internet Explorer if they don't have that. Type in Jolly Cloud. And this is practically what I did on my iPad. Yep, go to the main website. This is the same thing I did on my iPad to access it on my iPad. It's not installed on my iPad. I just did it with Jolly Cloud. Now just go into login.
Oh, and
so this is logging into your computer. Yep. And then once you've done, no, it's okay. It's just a bit slow. Now go there. Type in your username and password. Just like notice, this is the exact same thing when you first turned on the computer. 7. Yep. Okay. Now just wait for it. And click login.
Yep.
And what do you know? On your friend's computer, here it is. Takes a little while, wait.
Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Too.
It's actually just running in a web browser. So there's applications. Although it doesn't have the hard drive and stuff because that's stored on the USB. There's the actual background you chose before.
Oh wow!
So now
it's
you can.
Applied. So why
if
would
you
it
click
apply,
OK.
So why would it?
Okay, it seems to apply later.
So why does it apply it to my friend's computer? And because it has a delayed apply or something.
It seems to be a little bit delayed. Like I've just selected a new one, and probably the next time you log in and out, that new one will be up.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's that, and those are your applications. Firefox doesn't seem to appear to be there.
Oh, because remember when we were running it from the USB, it said all your things would be saved?
Yeah.
I remember that.
Okay, so there we go. What do you think of Joli OS?
Well, let me put it this way. I don't hate it. It's very hard to use, though. Let's just say if you installed this on my computer
Yeah.
and I was forced to use it, I would need you hanging around all the time so I can ask Phil, how do I do this, how do I do that, until I got the hang of it. But I wouldn't like that to happen. Let me just put it that way.
You can dual boot it. It's actually, you can download it off the internet, stick in that USB to your computer, and it'll give you an option to dual boot it with Windows XP.
Yeah, well...
So that means you turn your computer on. Would you like to open Jolly Cloud or Windows XP?
Yeah. Well, let's just say that I don't hate it because I see it's got huge potential in the way that you can't do this with other operating systems. You can't go...
You can do this with other cloud operating systems. This
What
isn't the only cloud operating
Is Microsoft
system.
a cloud operating systems or Mac?
No.
Okay.
They have some features like Dropbox where you can share all your documents across any computer you're at.
Right, okay. Well,
But
let's
not
just
the
say
whole computer.
I'll just summarise quickly. I don't hate it, although I don't want to use it. And the reason I don't hate it is because I think it's got a lot of potential and features that other operating systems don't have.
Would you put it at the level of Microsoft Bob? Microsoft Bob was something new. It was like a house.
Yeah, let's just say
to open all your
Microsoft
applications.
Bob is a whole different kettle of fish. And to tell the truth, this definitely excels above Microsoft Bob.
Okay, so what would you put this at? Ubuntu? Windows 8? Would you use it over Windows 8?
To be completely honest, I'd prefer this over Windows 8.
Okay. Personally, as the recorder, I'll end it after I say this. I don't like this operating system just because I don't feel you have all your local applications such as Microsoft Office. I don't like the fact that it's mainly web-based applications. I prefer desktop-based applications rather than web-based applications. That's just my personal opinion.
Yeah, and this doesn't even really have a desktop.
There it is, kinda. So anyway, that was Joli OS 1.2. See you next time.
Bye.